You can record an audio or video recording directly into any Moodle resource or activity. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this in a forum. So I'm going to add a new discussion topic, and when this opens, I've got my regular window. I'm just going to say this is my post. Now, this toggle bar opens your content editor. It's the first icon in the toolbar at the top. It's all the way to the left. I'm going to click that, and in the third toolbar, a little past halfway, there is an icon that looks like a little camera, and next to it is a little microphone, and that is the tool for recording. I'm going to record a video. Now this opens directly because I've recorded before. You will probably get a prompt that asks you to enable or make your microphone or video camera available. I've already done that. So now all I'm simply going to do is I'm going to click this record button all the way to the left, and now it's recording. So I can say or do whatever, and when I'm done, I'm going to push that button, the same button again, and now you see the little check mark underneath it. The next thing is I'm going to play it. It's going to replay it. It's going to be very short. So now up here it tells me it's replayed all the way through. And the next step is the button all the way to the right with a little arrow pointing up, and that is the upload button. And again, because it was so short, it's uploaded very quickly. And now I want to just simply insert. You're going to see a link there that's got my MP4. Now I will post. And when someone goes to look at that post, they open it up, you're going to see an embedded video, and they'll just be able to play it. And that's how you record.